Good morning. We're going to make a simple cheese omelet. We're going to start with 3 eggs. Most eggs are made with 3 eggs. Some of them are smaller. And then you just whisk it up with a fork, whisk, whatever you need. And then I add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You can use half and half, you can use whole milk, you can use any kind of milk. And they should look light, fluffy. Then I add a little bit of pepper, a tiny pinch of salt, and then I place it in an already greased and buttered pan. When you put it in the pan, make sure that the butter is already nice and hot and it'll already start bubbling like this. Then you want to turn the heat down low, between medium low. Now as it cooks, slowly take your fork, pull it back just a little bit and get that egg underneath it. But don't break this. Alright, when it gets like this and you can see how most of the egg's done, okay, then you make sure you got plenty of butter in this pan, okay? Shake it around, use your whisk, and flip it. Put you some cheese on it immediately. Ready. Now look at how cheesy that is. Y'all come back. You hear? Good morning. We're going to make a